Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be predicting the price trend of Lululemon Athletica stock. I'm a swing trader, and I don't consider a stock's price movements beyond a month. This channel only provides short-term price forecasts, typically 1 to 3 weeks. Please subscribe. Lululemon Athletica stock rebounded strongly on Thursday, with significantly higher volume, but plummeted 15% in after-hours trading. The reason for this was the company's lowered annual sales and profit forecasts. The stock fell 18% in pre-market trading on Friday, hitting a low of $167.70. But this price may not represent a bottom. The 30-minute chart shows that the stock entered a sell-off period from August 18th to 29th. The stock price failed to break through the $208 level, clearly signaling an intraday sell-off. It's worth noting that trading volume has increased over the past 3 days. On September 4th, the stock price rose strongly, with significantly increased trading volume. This appears to be another instance of a significant exit from the market. This is considered a negative sign, suggesting significant selling pressure on the stock. Looking at the stock's position distribution, we can see that the majority of positions are currently located between $186 and $207.50. If the stock price corrects significantly downward, positions in this range will shift significantly lower, putting pressure on the stock's rebound. Some positions currently remain above $207.50, adding further pressure to the stock's rebound. Therefore, a significant rebound may be impossible in the short term. Heavy selling could force the stock to consolidate at a low level or even continue its downward correction. Let's return to the stock's daily chart. The company's second quarter revenue was $2.53 billion. Slightly below the consensus estimate of $2.54 billion. Earnings per share were $3.10, exceeding analysts' expectations of $2.87. The company lowered its full-year outlook. Revenue of $10.85 billion to $11 billion and earnings per share of $1.277 billion to $12.97. Down from the previous first quarter outlook of $11.15 billion to $11.3 billion. In the Americas, the company's core market, revenue grew 1% year-over-year, while comparable sales declined 4%. The U.S. market, in particular, continued to show weakness. International revenue grew 22% year-over-year, with comparable sales increasing 15%. Mainland China performed exceptionally well, with revenue increasing 25% and comparable sales increasing 17%, continuing to be a growth engine. Other international regions also maintained double-digit growth. International operations are offsetting declines in North America and diversifying their regional structure, but pressure in the core U.S. market is dragging down overall growth. Notably, growth in the Chinese market has also slowed from its previous highs of over 30%. While international expansion and product diversification have provided growth resilience, structural issues in the U.S. market and external tariff pressures are eroding the company's profitability. The downward revision of the full-year outlook highlights short-term challenges. The stock currently has a consensus moderate buy rating from 24 Wall Street analysts. This rating is based on 12 buy, 11 hold, and 1 sell recommendations issued over the past 3 months. The average price target is $269, suggesting a 30% upside potential from the current price. However, these ratings could change after the company releases its latest financial results. Technical analysis. The stock saw significant volume on Thursday, but as the share price plummeted, this suggests a significant amount of capital has recently exited the market, reflecting a lack of investor confidence in the stock. Friday's volume is expected to be significantly higher, and significant positions will shift from high to low, but this negative news may not be fully absorbed in a single trading day. I believe the stock will decline to the $167 to $177 range. However, there is still a possibility that the stock could fall below $167 and decline further. As for the target price, I set it around $155. Okay, guys, that's my Lululemon Athletica stock price prediction. Thanks for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share it and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.